So, and this is, very handsome, very
Yeah.
energetic.
Returning trainer Mark Sharp.
Mark is fine. And he was friend to Craig right from when they were single. They were
Yes,
young.
that's right.
And
Before
they've done a lot of
marriage.
journey. And one
Yes.
story I know from Malaysia too. They've been a great friend, best friend, for a long time. And we are so
Thankful
honored
for
to have
Mark.
you, Miss Mark, right here today.
Yeah.
So yeah, when you were here the first time, we didn't even have YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Today, and we're celebrating that is 200,000 plus subscribers.
Yes. Yeah. We really appreciate all of those that have been subscribing to our channel. If you're watching this YouTube video right now and you've not subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to it. That means it'll pop up again and again. You can get additional information that will be very helpful for you. And encourage your friends to watch our videos, subscribe to our channel, as it's very helpful. Around the world, people are watching our channel today because it is very helpful for many people. Double silver button. Virginia, yes, millions of views on their YouTube videos. Millions of views on their YouTube videos. That is exceptional.
That because I'm so handsome?
Yes, it is. It is, Bob. And you've got a beautiful wife who surpasses your beauty. and the viewers on Bob and Virginia's videos are just astronomical, aren't they? Best in the world. Yeah.
And also Miss Davy and
Debbie and Edwin have they've been going viral recently.
They're reaching Bob in Virginia.
Yes, we're thankful for Debbie. Thankful for Edwin. Yes. Excited for you guys. Yeah. Much appreciated.
And we also want to thank, to our special thanks to our trainers. A lot of trainers that came to.
Oh yes, so many trainers from the U.S. And you're getting ready to go to the U.S. yourself, aren't you, Suresh? Yeah.
And I'm gonna feature a lot of videos. I'm gonna post them from different states, different places, different universities.
Yeah, we want to give our students that are watching our videos so much information that we can.
Yes. Right now, we can just cut the cake.
Mm-hmm. Come, Suresh. This is Suresh has worked hard to get. I remember him filming the first videos, and I said, "Wow, what's going on? We're making videos now." And so anyhow, he started filming, and next thing we know, those videos start catching traffic, and many people watching and getting comments from all over the world. And anyhow, Suresh knows how to do the videos very nicely, and has done a great job. 200,000 subscribers is not a joke.
Yeah, it's already plus. Yeah. We wanted to do it on the exact when it was 2000. It's 2002 now, actually.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be 2000. Mr. Bob, so special trainer, please. Good.
Yes. Suresh, give him a round of applause. Wow. For you. Hard work. Dedication. Thank you. Thank you.
We don't have. Oh, we have still this. We missed it. Virginia Davy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, don't put them towards
you. Chocolate do you. We still have it. Listen.
Yeah, Bob.
Oh, sorry, it's already expired.
Come closer.
Yeah. Come, let's bring all of our trainers up close because all of you have helped us tremendously. We appreciate it so much.
My best way to celebrate is to eat cake.
Okay, well, that'll be part of it too. But we want to give you a thing to wave here. Could you pass one to
Mr. Bob?
Okay.
Bob, right here.
Okay, put them together.
Yes.
Give a round of applause.
Yeah. What a great celebration. 200,000 subscribers. Yes. Wow. Yeah. This is a great time. Woo. Yeah, Bob, Virginia.
I gotta take a bath.
No, this is just soap, so don't worry. That'll be good. Yay, everybody. Great job. Get some windshield wipers for his bus.
Oh, sorry. Forgive me. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
it's okay.
Can you give some tissues right here? I'm sorry. Please, right
It's
here,
okay.
right here.
Just I can see with one eye.
Can you take this, please?
First I sprayed myself, and then my partner sprays me the other eye.
Okay, that's all. I think. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. So, and we are also going to make a lot of fantastic, lot of very educational videos, and we also want to announce that we are creating a very great website that we are going to. I know there's a lot of people, thousands of people asking for online interview classes, and which actually is a very beyond of our capacity right now. And for that region, we are on the way to launch a website that really allows you to come and join as an international student to take our classes online. So which is going to be subscription based though, but it's really going to be very good one, very affordable, and we're going to announce that launch very soon. And so that I can tell you right from people from Europe, Africa, Asia, and America, a lot of people. So we're coming soon. All right.